How to unfollow everyone on TikTok. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open TikTok on your device. Log into your account, then click on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then click on following at the top. After you click on following, you will be able to see all the following list. Simply click on following option beside their username and they will be unfollowed. You cannot do everything at a same time, so you will need to click following of every person. And this is how to unfollow everyone on TikTok. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.